Say cheesy.
Cheesy.
Alright, it's time to open your present.
Okay. He's opening it.
Alright, finish.
Now we'll go over to my kitty.
Alright. Open it up. Take the stuff out of the box. Now let's read your note.
He got that with the puppy? With the angry puppy?
Dear Alexander, great job at school. You are doing amazing. I love you. Hope you love your new cutest puppy. Take good care of it and name it. Love, Aunt JoJo and Cousin Charlie.
Mimi!
You open it.
Let's mine with the kitty.
That's good.
I think,
You want some help?
yeah.
You want some help?
Yeah. Baby. Mama, push it. No, mine with the kitty.
Your little kitty has a
Daddy, look.
What'd you get?
Puppy eating.
A puppy?
Yeah.
That's nice. Say thank you, Auntie JoJo. What do you want to name your puppy? You know what you want to name him?
Cheesy puppy.
Puppy? Aw, nice.
Cheesy puppy.
Cheesy puppy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What?
Alright, guys.
All right, say bye-bye, Auntie JoJo. Thank you.
Bye